Hi guys, this is Jose Mara Vision. I hope you guys doing well. Well, it's a Sunday night. I can't believe it. Tomorrow's the weekday. Sunday is gone. Wow. Yep. And it's almost Father's Day. I hope you guys are gonna be doing something nice for your father on Father's Day. You know, I really appreciate my dad and my mom and everybody. They're nice people. They're my family. Alright guys, if you guys have watched any movies lately, any TV shows, any drama, UFC fights, let me know. Alright, okay, here's the theme. More beer videos. This is my favorite beer. My favorite beer, Coors Banquet. Let me know in the comments who's your favorite beer. Mine is this one. My favorite one is this one. Rolling Rock, Tecate, Modelo, any kind.
The time is now 9 p.m.
Oh my god. I love this beers, man. But the only thing that gives me burps. See? Nothing on the thingy. It's all gone, my friends. It's all gone. See? Nothing in the thing. Okay. Here's the second one. Man, I want to see who can top that. Hmm? Let me know. Send me a video of you drinking a beer and burping too. So we can have a benching contest. Who can win? Maravision or anybody? It's not that easy. See, Maravision is doing 2 times already. Yep. But the little burps. You know, it would be nice if Vision works in the winery, hmm making wine, making beers. I'll be getting hammered all day. hmm Jeez, just for one little beer, that's what I get. At the end there. Wow. I hope you guys can do something like that too, man. It's not that easy. But we made it. Our mission completed the course. You know? Let me know what you guys gonna be doing next week. Cause I'm, almost getting a little buzz, man, from 2 beers. Alright, guys. See you guys on the next one. Bye bye.